Homemade hot dogs, let's get started. Gather the ingredients. In a food processor, puree the onion, garlic, coriander, paprika, mustard seed, marjoram, and mace. Add the milk, egg white, sugar, salt, and pepper and combine well. Remove to a bowl and set aside. One at a time, grind the pork, beef, and fat cubes through the fine blade of a meat grinder. Combine the 3 ingredients and grind them together. In a large bowl, combine the pureed seasonings with the meat and mix with your hands. Wet your hands with cold water to prevent the mixture from sticking. Refrigerate the mixture for 30 minutes and then grind it again. Prepare the casings. Prepare and stuff the casing. Meanwhile, rinse the casing well under cool running water to remove the salt. Place it in a bowl of cool water and soak for 30 minutes. After soaking, run cool water over the casing. Slip one end of the casing over the faucet nozzle and firmly hold it in place. Turn on the cold water, gently at first, and then more forcefully. This will flush out any salt in the casing and help you spot any breaks. Should you find one, simply snip out a small section of the casing. Put the casing in a bowl of water and add a splash of white vinegar. A tablespoon of vinegar per cup of water is sufficient. The vinegar softens the casing and makes it more transparent, which in turn makes the hot dog look nicer. Leave the casing in the water and vinegar solution until you are ready to use it. Rinse it well and drain before stuffing. Using a sausage stuffer, fill the casings with the meat mixture and twist them off into 6-inch links. Parboil the links, but don't separate them, in simmering water for 20 minutes. Place the franks in a bowl of ice water and chill. Remove, pat dry, and refrigerate. You can refrigerate them for up to 1 week or freeze them for future use.